Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with Paysafecard on Nintendo Switch. So let's get into the video. So open up Nintendo Switch, log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, so just pick an item that you wish to purchase and pay for. So add that item to your cart. So just select any. For example, here I've selected this item here and I've added it to my cart. So when you get to your cart here, so what are you going to do now? So I'm on my cart here, shopping cart. So you're going to proceed for your checkout. So click on to secure checkout. So click on the checkout option, and then when you get to this checkout page here, so payment page here, so I'm going to just add in my shipping details and all those information here. So I'll add that, and then I'm going to hit on this continue to payment option here. Alright, so you're going to enter your shipping address and all those details here. So I'll just add mine. So once you've done with that, so what are you going to do? You're going to go to your shipping method. So you're just going to add those details, and then once you've added these details, okay. Alright, so now what are you going to do? You're going to choose your shipping method here. So select the shipping method. So just choose the one that suits you. And then once this is done, hit on continue to payment. So here, when you get to payment option here, so when you get to this checkout page, just scroll down and go to the payment details. So here it's asking for credit card details. So if you want to pay with Paysafe, then you can only do so by using your Paysafe MasterCard. So simply enter the details of your Paysafe MasterCard and hit on purchase and complete the order. So that's how you can pay with Paysafe on Nintendo, so only by using your Paysafe MasterCard. So I hope this video and information is helpful to you all. I'll see you